So way back in the 1980s, I worked at a place called Rich's down in Atlanta, Georgia. And we had a big old warehouse out in Stone Mountain. It's now Macy's, I think. And periodically at the warehouse, we had like an outlet store, and I worked at the outlet store. We'd get stuff in that was like floor samples and stuff like that. So a big old set of speakers came in with these square style speakers, and I was like, well, I think I can take that, chop them up, and shove them into my Beetle. And I originally put them out there in the 74, but I'm not working on that thing right now, so I thought I'd throw them into the 73. But they still work, and they haven't torn up. This is kind of a fabric right here instead of a piece of paper, so.
Rubber.
You think it's rubber? It feels fabric.
Instead of rubber.
Yeah, instead of rubber. Well, this is kind of a paper. The ones that are in the door were kind of made out of paper. And so anyway, they haven't torn up, and they're, geez, 35 years old. Let's see, it was 1985, 95. Oh, yeah, geez, well, these things are like 35 years old. Anyway, still worked, and we've been working on the enclosure for it, which ages ago I put a little foam padding on, put some fabric on it here. And the fabric has rotted in the sunlight, so that's gone. So anyway, my nephew's back here working on this. Unscrewed it. He's got a little paint on the housing, which if you come down here and you look at, you can see how warped and twisted it got in the sun, and it's all cracked. And where'd the other one go?
Right here. It's in two pieces.
There's the other one, yeah. So anyway, the other one's fallen into two pieces, just cracked.
This is a very temporary aesthetic fix.
Yeah, it's like, hey, why not? Well, anyway, we're going to head off to Joann Fabrics and see if we can't pick up a piece of fabric to put on that thing right there.
All right, $14.89 is your total.
Making a little bit of progress here. So we use one of those guys as a guide for this. So we're going to cut these guys out and use them as replacements for wherever the hunks of plastic went.
Oh. Deteriorated.
Exactly. We're going to replace those warped up hunks of plastic with some like synthetic chipboard. Throw a little black paint on them, and they'll look fine. They stick in the back of the car, so that won't be too bad. Got one other little project going here under separate cover. Alright, I'll just let you chop away. It's your project. Do a little cleanup on the face plates. Say, not going to be pretty, but they'll be better than those hunks of warped up plastic. Getting closer. There's the speakers, the screws, the tools. Okay, there it is, screwed together, ready to go back in the car. In the car, plugged in and working.